If you're a content creator, consistently posting videos but struggling to make money, regardless on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you're not the problem, but your strategy is. You've probably seen people claiming they make easy money by clipping long-form YouTube videos and turning them into shorts, TikToks, or Reels. But here's the catch. Most of them are using other people's videos, and sooner or later that causes serious copyright issues that can get your channel demonetized, or even deleted. So in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step safe content strategy that protects you from copyright claims, helps you get more views and earn more money, works on any social media platform, whether it's YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and uses AI to do the clipping for you so you don't have to spend hours editing. Step 1. Create a long-form video. So here's where it all begins. You'll start with creating a long-form video that actually makes you money. And with longer than 8 minutes, 12, or even up to half an hour. And no, it doesn't need to be viral or have a crazy production budget. What matters is that it either sells something or it attracts clients. That could be your own digital product, a paid service you offer like coaching or freelance skills, or even an affiliate product that gives you a commission every time someone buys through your link. The idea here is simple. This one long video you create will become your money-making video. You use it to pitch the product that brings in income. However, the type of content you'll create depends on you. It could be a detailed tutorial about an affiliate product, a breakdown of your skills or your workflow, or a faceless video reviewing a digital product. As long as it leads viewers towards something you earn from, that's your foundation. Step 2. Solving the view problem. Now here's the painful truth. Creating a long-form video will not be enough because most of the time it won't get enough views to start selling. Even if your video is incredibly valuable and if no one sees it, you make nothing. No clicks, no sales. Just a great video sitting in the void. YouTube doesn't automatically promote your video, especially if your channel is small. TikTok and Instagram aren't built for long-form content, and if you're just posting and hoping the algorithm picks it up, well, that rarely works anymore. So what's the alternative? You must feed that long video with external traffic, which brings us to step 3. Create short-form content. Short-form videos are exploding right now. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels, they're all dominating attention online. Even channels with 0 subscribers are seeing thousands of views from one short video. But you not only create them, you will send traffic to your long video. These shorts can act like mini commercials. But instead of paying to run ads, you're using your own content to drive interest back to your main video. Here's how it works. You post a 30-second short that gives value or hooks attention. Viewers get intrigued and click your long-form video link to learn more. Or they click the link in bio if you're on TikTok or Instagram. By posting short-form content, you'll increase traffic that your long video gets. And now you've got a view system that drives more traffic, more sales, and more revenue. But there is a challenge. You need to make short videos consistently. Because if you've already done this manually, you know it takes time. Reviewing footage, finding highlights, trimming clips, adding captions, and exporting formats for each platform. That's where AI comes in to save the day and brings us to step 4. Step 4. Start using AI. Creators who don't use AI will fall behind of others who use it. It will save you a significant amount of time if you give it a try. There is an AI-powered video clipping tool called Opus that can turn your long-form videos into ready-to-post shorts in a matter of minutes. You only need to copy the URL of your long-form video, and Opus scans it for the most interesting, high-performing moments. It automatically cuts those high-value moments into short, vertical videos, adds dynamic captions, applies visual effects and transitions, and even ranks them with a potential virality score so you can post the best-performing ones first. You don't need to watch your whole video to find new content or spend time on editing those clips. Opus does all the heavy lifting for you. I've used it myself, and what used to take me hours now takes minutes. and I end up with 5 to 10 solid clips from a single long-form video. Let me show you quickly how it actually works. First, copy the URL of your long-form video. It can be anything from a talking head video to a screen recording, even a Zoom call. Once it's uploaded, Opus Clip gets to work. Here's what you'll see. A timeline of suggested clips based on where the AI detected high engagement moments. A virality score that estimates how well each clip might perform based on pacing, facial expressions, keywords, and structure. Auto captions that match your speech with high accuracy. No need to manually type them out. Topic-based grouping, so if you talk about multiple things in your video, the clips are automatically organized by subject. You can preview any clip, edit the captions or styling, and export directly in formats optimized for Shorts, TikTok, or Reels. All of this happens inside one dashboard. If you want to try it out, I've added a link below. You can test it completely free. Step 5. Use Shorts to drive sales. Now that you've got a batch of short videos, here's how you actually turn them into income. Each short becomes a piece of content that drives viewers back to your long video, the one that's monetized. Here's the playbook. If you're on YouTube Shorts, add the full video link in the description or pin it as a comment. And if you're on TikTok or Reels, mention link in bio and use tools like Linktree to direct people to your video or sales page. Your shorts act like mini trailers or teasers. And here's the magic. You don't need to make new content from scratch. You're simply repackaging your long video into bite-sized formats and letting AI do 90% of the work. Over time, this becomes a scalable strategy. Post 3 to 5 shorts per week. Link them all back to your main monetized video. Collect leads, sales, and commissions passively. That's how smart creators are using short-form content in 2025. So let's recap real quick. You start by creating one high-converting video that sells your product, service, or affiliate link. Then, you use Opus Clip to automatically generate shorts from that video. Those shorts bring you extra traffic. That traffic leads to sales, and now you've got a system that makes content and money without burning you out. The best part? No copyright issues. You're using your own content, not someone else's. It's safe, scalable, and actually sustainable. If you want to try Opus Clip and see how well it works with your videos, click the link below. You can get started free and test the virality score, captions, and editing flow for yourself. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you want to discover other AI tools, check out the next video.